Hi, I'm Liz Cantor. Join me and my husband Ryan, sons Kit and Finn, and of course Bear, as we take on our first ever KnockDown ReBuild. Coming up on KnockDown ReBuild, the pool takes shape and the site is cleared.
I've never seen you clearer than now. We're flying high, floating somewhere up in the clouds. We're going out of ourselves, can you feel it? Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning.
Hello, Adam.
How you going?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you too.
Hey mate, good to see you.
Good to see you too. Right over, guys.
What do we got?
Guys, the purpose of today is a site start meeting, so congratulations, we've got started.
Thanks.
The main purpose of today is to go through any questions you guys may have, and we can go through a few points about the build and the time frame, and go over your plans and clarify everything.
What does our bedroom window look down on? So is there like a rooftop to our outdoor area?
Yes, there is.
Okay.
Yeah, so these lines here, this indicates your lower roof over your entertaining room.
Yeah.
Okay, so when you walk up to that window, you will see the top of that roof.
Okay.
Okay. And then obviously your pool. So yeah.
And that's colour bond roofing?
It's colour bond.
Like raindrops.
Rain coming.
I knew the second we started building it would start
It'll
raining.
start.
We would break the drought.
Yeah, we have.
Okay, that is one of the questions I have
Yes.
for you.
Yeah.
Weather, how much will weather interfere? I mean, it is the wet season in Queensland.
Yeah.
It hasn't rained for the past year,
Yeah.
but it's going to start raining now.
Yeah, look, weather does play a part. Once we get to a certain stage in the build, it starts to not affect us.
Okay.
Okay, so generally that's at lock-up stage. So once we're at lock-up, the bricks are up, the cladding's on,
Yeah.
it does stop affecting us there. But we do something unique here in Queensland where we do a reverse build. So we'll actually start building your inside, sometimes even before the outside's finished.
Okay.
Okay, it's quite unique. We have systems around it that protect us from the weather.
Yeah.
And that's why your house build will be months faster than a typical build.
But then let it rain.
Yeah, let it rain.
We need it.
Well, now's not good.
So when was this pegged out, Adam?
Yesterday.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So as you can see here, guys, I know it's just a flat block, but if you do look where the blue highlighted pegs are, it's actually where your house is. So this is your front entry. This is where you're going to walk into your home.
God.
Yeah, and your garage is over here, and if you want, I can walk you through the house and
Yep.
show you the back. All right, so if you
So it's
stand,
quite spacious.
yeah, it is very spacious. If you're standing here,
Oh, wow.
especially from here to the pool, that's your backyard.
And that's what I wanted to see as well, like how much
Yes, I thought you may want to
grass
see that.
area for the kids. Just trying to picture it. And all of
Yeah.
that backyard space after living in this apartment.
Yeah. Oh, you're in an apartment? Yeah.
Yeah, the
Yeah.
kids need it.
You're riding that on your own.
Checking in, it's all happening. Got Finn down to bed. I'm cleaning up the kitchen, trying to get Kit to bed. Ryan's signing documents. Kit. Number one son. Number one son.
Ready?
Go, Bubba! Same dunk it! Yeah! Next time on KnockDown ReBuild, Queensland's wet season kicks in, but the slab goes down and the frame goes up.